How to create a Tonkeeper wallet and secure your wallet via a backup. First, go over to your Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Tonkeeper Wallet and install the app. Open the app and click on Create New Wallet. Enter a passcode and then re-enter the passcode. You can enable the notification or skip it. You have successfully created your wallet, but let's learn how to secure your seed phrase so that you can back it up. On the top right of your Tonkeeper Wallet app, click and go to Settings. Click on Backup and click on Backup Manually, and then click on Continue. Click on Backup Manually. On your screen, you will see the 24-word phrases, and these phrases are your secret recovery phrase to access your wallet. So make sure to save it and never share your secret phrases with anyone. Once you saved it, click on Check Backup and enter the phrases accordingly and click Done. You have successfully backed up your wallet, but I will share some tips for you. On the description, we have provided an image template for saving your 24 seed phrases offline. You can download the image and print it as a paper and use it to write down the 24 seed phrases and store anywhere. Make sure to never share your private keys with anyone, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.